amazing. Ito nga, nagpaplano kami. We're setting up something so we can run. So this will be a series of events until November. We're launching it on May 4th. Iba-ibang aspect and category of racing, but this will be full blown. And we try every category of motorsport na mapagbibigyan namin for a venue. As soon as this takes off, become a success, we'll be very, very proud to announce to the whole world that there's a venue in the Philippines where they can compete in one step at a time. So let's bring back the glory days. 60s, during the 60s, during the 70s, tinamaan lang tayo ng during the time when there was a law passed during Philippine Parliament banning all motorsport events during the 80s. Tinamaan tayo ng so now we're bringing back the available races where local, international racers and professional racing teams can join. We're opening the doors in the heart of Metro Manila here in the city.
Sir, anong mangyayari dun sa gagawin yung event dito sa Okada? What will happen?
Yeah, what kind of motor sports vehicles is going to be included, and what type of races?
So we're launching the first leg on May 4th. It's going to be an amateur slalom race. Proud to say it's going to be the biggest slalom event since the 90s and the 80s. So it's going to be presented, promoted by Super Sprint. Super Sprint is the new age, new generation slalom organization, slalom racing. So we're looking at amateurs to compete. We've prepared the seaside boardwalk behind Okada, Manila. We're expecting 150 to 200 competitors. So it'll be 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. And then there's this. There's si Andre, he could join depending on his schedule. Shooting down, shooting.
Artista na eh.
That's a Sunday.
That's Sunday. So 7 p.m. onwards on a Sunday, there's this called Legends of the 90s na car group or club.
Mga batang 90s na.
Mga batang 90s na. So
This Sunday
Legends of the 90s.
This Sunday.
This Sunday. It's a grand car meet, and we're expecting it to be the biggest car meet of Legends of the 90s. So all these iconic cars from the 80s and 90s will come out. Usually na tinatago lang in the garages. Come May 31, we're launching Joms Cup. Joms Cup is a 1/8 mile drag racing event. It consists of 3 categories.
Where?
Same venue.
Same.
Seaside boardwalk. Supercar, muscle car, and vintage classic. So tatlong category. Merong morning, afternoon, and then evening. So we're still talking to also electronic vehicles, the EVs, para makasali ang celebrities natin for a EV in between those 3 categories. We're planning to put in EVs because they're exciting, they're different. So meron tayong 6 to 11 in the morning vintage classic. We have in the afternoon 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. the muscle cars, and then evening will be the supercars. So 40 participants per category. We'll host them. So in between, we'll try to get EVs to come in. So mag-enjoy naman yung mga celebrities natin. Subukan natin kung gaano katibay yung dibdib nila pagdating sa EV.
So marami rin yung mga celebrities.
We'll invite them.
Wala pang
31. That's May 31.
Wala pang nagpa-register doon sa mga celebrities.
So that may know.
We need to sit down, talk to them, invite them. Although marami naman sila. Marami din in the South area. My wife is very interested.
No? Join siya.
Condition niya sa akin eh. Gusto niya siya yung muna.
Gusto
Una
niya
daw siya.
mag-join?
Yeah. Ang first na test daw, ang gusto niya siya. Bigay natin yung hiling. And then come June 21 and 22, we're gonna do the biggest rally event in the Philippines. We're gonna close down main roads in the area of Entertainment City. It's gonna be a super special stage rally. Same style as the Rally of Monaco. So it's gonna be nighttime. It's a night race. According to Ricky Diliaco, he wants 25 to 40 maximum participants, so cream of the crop. So super special stage, gabi tayo. So, sasara tayo ng kalye.
So 2 nights.
And then it will end sa boardwalk pa rin para ang spectators natin nakikita. Pag rally naman, it's time trials. So one after the other para kita natin, mapapanood natin. So we're trying to set up also live streaming para for raffle prizes and ganyan, may home party. Yung attendees na spectator, they get the chance to win raffle prizes too. Participants, same. We want this to be exciting, fun, na hindi masyadong seryoso. Balik natin dun sa yung sigla ng motorsport. Like before, growing up in Green Hills, in Ortigas, nakita natin yan, napanood natin yan, nababasa natin sa dyaryo, napapanood natin. So, come June 28 will be the main rally event na siya. It's gonna be Lubang Rally. Lubang. So these professional rally drivers and rally teams will hop into a barge, pumunta ng Lubang, Mindoro. Then the main rallies will be consisting 11 stages, all tarmac. First time. So we're proud to announce this will be the biggest rally event ever. And the biggest drag racing event ever. And the biggest slalom event ever in the Philippines.
You're not talking about Filipino participants, you're talking about foreigners.
We're talking of, we have a few foreigners. Very few. We have a few.
So mostly Pinoys.
Most of them are Filipinos. So, but we have a few foreigners. I met some of them from the Mustang Club the other day. So, meron pa rin tayong foreigners based everywhere. Some are in Clark, some are in Subic, some are in Manila. So, yun.
And sir, how prepared are the facilities? Because I'm sure this is probably going to get like a lot of things prepared, like the track itself. How have you visited them already?
Organization will be designed for the drag racing. It will be Philippine Drag Racing Federation. So the Philippine Drag Racing Federation will handle marshals. We're looking at NHRA spec, so National Hot Rod Association spec from America. So nothing less than highest standards of safety. So with the rally naman, it's the same. We have the support of Automotive Association of the Philippines, sanctioned governing body by the International Automotive Association, Federation Internationale de Automobile from France, which is the international governing body. So safety standards are there. Highest available safety features are there. So, well prepared naman tayo, headed by the Head of Motorsport, Automotive Association, Ricky Deliam.
Chom?